Hello everybody, today I will be taking a closer look at Racing Red Lightning McQueen, new for the 2021 Pixar Cars line. If you like other Disney Pixar Cars diecast content and videos on your favourite movie, then don't forget to subscribe to the CarsDiecastReviewer channel. You don't want to miss out on any other videos on the franchise, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's take a close look at the back of the packaging of Racing Red Lightning McQueen. Here we can see the back of the packaging, all 6 of the brand new Racing Red 15th anniversary special paints: Sally, Jackson Storm, Mater, Francesco, Dinoco Cruz and Racing Red Lightning McQueen himself. We can also see some other information on the back of the packaging with the new Mattel Empowering the Next Generation Through Play logo, and the main feature is he is being made in Thailand. Before we take a close look at this Racing Red Lightning McQueen as the packaging, there is actually a slight packaging variation, as you can see on your screen. One is from the European, of course, side of the world, and the other is from like the main USA packaging, which you can see the other cars on the back of the packaging. Now, let's take Racing Red Lightning McQueen all out of the packaging. Here we can see Racing Red Lightning McQueen all out of the packaging. He is a 1:55 scale diecast made by Mattel with no paper stickers. It has a metallic red paint job all around, and of course some silver decaling to of course represent the silver anniversary, which is pretty cool in my opinion. He's got the plastic eye plate for the eyes, which is still a pretty nice bonus from of course Thailand. He's got, of course, the nice decaling, the silver bookie stripe, which, of course, is the Cars 3 version of Lightning McQueen, which I do actually want to talk about in a little bit. And we can see the base made in the 42nd week in 2021. Here is the Racing Red Lightning McQueen, and we can see that he has the Cars 3 mould, but is in the Cars 1 paint job, which I don't know why Mattel done that. It definitely does drop the rating down on this Racing Red Lightning McQueen quite a lot. It's not my favourite Racing Red, but it is definitely up there. It's better than the likes of Sally and Jackson Storm, but you know, we can clearly see that this is the Cars 1 paint job into the Cars 3 Florida 500 paint job. Here is a bunch of other metallic Lightning McQueens that Mattel have released from 2006 to present day. Comment down which one is your favourite. Of course, one of my favourites is the Racing Red, but I also like the Piston Cup Hudson Hornet Lightning McQueen. Here we can see the other Racing Reds. The one that I am missing, unfortunately, is the Racing Red Francesco. I do own one, but only in the package, and I do not want to open it until, of course, I own a second one. Comment down below which one of these 6, of course, including Francesco, is your favourite. Racing Red Mater is definitely one of my favourites. I hope everybody did enjoy my review on the Racing Red Lightning McQueen. Don't forget to subscribe to the Cars Diecast Reviewer channel if you are new, and also whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe to Cool Election TV. Like I do say, his of course videos are highly inspired by mine, so you know, don't forget to check out his channel. And of course, whilst you're here, make sure you check out my previous video on Holiday Hotshot Lightning McQueen. To the very next one, peace guys.